everyone, welcome back to Bring On Life. This is Hazel again, and today I'll be sharing to you my favorite exercise of the week, which is ab workout. I always have this hate and love relationship with my abs, and obviously I'm still working on it. It's still work in progress, guys. With losing weight and reaching your body goals, it's not just really about working out. It also involves a lot of diet, but definitely this workout helped me a lot, and I hope it helps you too. I hope you can join me, guys. This is very quick and easy. It does not require any equipment at all, and you can definitely do it anywhere in your house as well. And without further ado, let's bring it on. Oops. There you go.
Let's start with bicycle crunches. Focus on moving through your core as you turn your torso. This is a great way to target the obliques in one easy exercise. Have a bit of a rest and get ready for some scissor kicks. Make sure your core is tight and your neck is relaxed. Lower one leg towards the floor as you lift the other leg up. You're doing such a great job, guys. Just keep pushing. Now let's do some leg raises. Lay flat with your arms at your sides, then raise your legs slowly. Keep them straight and lift them all the way up to the ceiling until your butt comes off the floor. Let's proceed with in and out. Extend your legs out and back in towards your chest. Keep your hands beside your hips, or if you want it more challenging, you can also try putting them in the air or in a touchdown position. Now it's time to do some plank with kickbacks. Move to a plank position, raise your leg up and down. Just do it slowly, guys, and make sure to always squeeze your abs. Let's get ready for Spiderman planks. Make sure to keep your hips as level as possible. Bend your leg to bring your knee as close as possible towards your elbow. Pause and then step back to the plank position. The next one is Russian twist. Move slowly and breathe steadily and deeply. Exhale with each twist and inhale to return to the center. Alright, now let's do some mountain climbers. Begin in a push-up position on the hands and toes. Make sure your abs are engaged and your back is straight. It's time for plank with hip dips. This exercise strengthens your abs, your lower back, obliques, and it will also help trim down your waist. This is a modified version of an elbow plank with an additional hip rotation. Alright, so let's continue having another round of plank with hip dips, but with alternating cross legs. Keep it going, guys, we're almost there. Now it's time for some sit-ups. Crunch your abs to a sitting position as you reach forward with both hands to your feet. Make sure that you lift your upper body from the lower position in one fluid motion without using any momentum. The next one is plank jacks. When doing this exercise, you really need to engage your abs to help protect your lower back from any injury. This exercise combines the technique of both jumping jacks and planks to provide you with some serious total body benefits. Now let's lay down on the floor for some heel taps. Don't lift your upper body or roll your shoulders forward as you move. Your abs needs to be side crunching as you reach your fingertips to your heel. let's move back to a plank position as we are going to do some plank with leg raises and knee taps. Once you have positioned yourself, slowly raise your left leg up and down and then move your knee forwards and tap. Alright, so now let's switch to your right leg. Just do it slowly, guys, to maintain your balance. The next one is crunch clap. Inhale and lift your legs off the floor. At the same time, bring your chin as close to your chest as possible and then clap your hands behind your legs. And now let's get ready for shoulder tap. Keep your abs in tight and prevent your body from swaying as you lift one arm, bend at the elbow and cross your hand to your opposite shoulder. Two more exercises, guys, and you're good to go. The next one is jumping mountain climbers. This is a modified version of mountain climbers. This is a bodyweight exercise that is really useful for burning calories, burning stamina, and as well as strengthening the core. For the last exercise, we are going to do a regular plank. When you do this exercise, make sure to always flex every muscle in your body with extra emphasis on your abs, lower back, and your glutes. Well done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this quick ab workout. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.